It's week 48 here in the garden, and it's week 3 for the garlic. So I wanted to give you an update on how the garlic is growing. I kind of got away from the weekly updates on my plants as they grew throughout the year. So beginning with the garlic and continuing throughout next year, I'll show you the progress on all of my vegetables that I'm growing week by week. These are the garlic cloves, and they're looking pretty good. Already up about 2 to 3 inches so far, and I'm pretty sure we've got almost 100% germination. Pretty close to it anyway, or we will by the time next year rolls around. So that's very hopeful. And here are the bubils. They're doing quite well as well. We haven't had 100% germination yet, but they've sprouted. A whole bunch of them have. And I'm quite hopeful that we'll have quite a number by the time the end of next year. We'll get a bunch of rounds out of it, and then we can plant them again and transform them into garlic bulbs. So the garlic looks like it's doing nice. I think I've got almost 100% germination on the garlic cloves that I planted. And the bubils are coming along. Not everyone has sprouted so far, but I'm hopeful I'll be getting quite a few of them out of those near 75, I guess, I planted. It should help eventually double my harvest. So if you want to see what we were doing in the garden last week, check out this video right here. And then subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you'll be able to follow along on the progress on all of our vegetables as we try to grow a supermarket in our own backyard. Okay, thanks for watching.